Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance Titans. If you're enjoying the content and don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up and we can't wait to share it with you. Please remember, the content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So stay tuned and let's dive into today's video. Air Products and Chemicals was founded in 1940 by Leonard Parker Poole in Detroit, Michigan. Initially, the company focused on selling industrial gases like oxygen and nitrogen, primarily to the metal fabrication industry. The company's early growth was fueled by the demand for gases in World War I. During the 1970s and 1980s, Air Products expanded its product portfolio and global presence. It diversified into chemicals, environmental and energy-related products, and emerging technologies. The company established plants and operations in various countries, becoming a significant player in the industrial gases market. In the 2000s, Air Products began a strategic shift to focus more on its core industrial gases business. This included divesting non-core businesses and making targeted acquisitions to strengthen its position in the industrial gases market. The company also invested in research and development to advance its technology in gas production and processing. Leading industrial gases and chemicals provider, Air Products is one of the world's leading suppliers of industrial gases, such as oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and hydrogen. The company serves a wide range of industries, including refining, chemical, metals, electronics, and food and beverage. Its business model focuses on large-scale, long-term supply contracts and building on-site production facilities for major customers. Innovation and sustainable solutions. Air Products is recognized for its innovation in gas production technologies and sustainable solutions. The company has been a pioneer in developing technologies for liquefied natural gas, gasification, and carbon capture. Its commitment to sustainability is evident in its efforts to develop environmentally friendly processes and products. Strategic acquisitions and global expansion. Air Products' growth strategy includes strategic acquisitions to expand its global footprint and enhance its technological capabilities. Recent acquisitions have focused on expanding its presence in key markets and strengthening its portfolio in growth areas like hydrogen for mobility, investment in emerging technologies and markets. The company is investing in emerging technologies and markets, such as renewable energy, to drive future growth. This includes projects in hydrogen fueling infrastructure and renewable energy sources like wind and solar. Robust financial performance. Air Products has consistently demonstrated strong financial performance. The company has shown steady revenue growth and profitability, underpinned by its diversified customer base and long-term supply contracts. Its financial strength is also reflected in its ability to invest in growth opportunities and return value to shareholders. Stock market performance and investor confidence. Air Products stock has been a stable performer in the market, reflecting investor confidence in the company's strategic direction and financial health. The company's commitment to sustainable growth and shareholder value has made it a favorable choice for investors. Adapting to global industrial and energy trends, Air Products' future success will depend on its ability to adapt to global industrial and energy trends. This includes responding to the growing demand for cleaner energy sources and sustainable industrial processes. The company's focus on hydrogen energy and carbon capture technologies positions it well for these trends. Navigating market dynamics and environmental regulations. The industrial gases and chemicals industry faces challenges related to market competition, economic fluctuations, and stringent environmental regulations. Air Products' ability to navigate these challenges while maintaining its commitment to innovation and sustainability will be key to its continued growth. Continued leadership in industrial gases and sustainable practices. Air Products and Chemicals, Inc. Its journey from a small industrial gas supplier to a global leader in the field is a story of strategic growth, technological innovation, and a commitment to sustainability. As the company looks ahead, its focus on developing cutting-edge gas production technologies expanding into emerging markets and contributing to a sustainable future positions it well to continue its legacy as a leader in the industrial gases and chemicals industry. Air Products' dedication to meeting the evolving needs of its global customers, combined with its commitment to environmental stewardship, positions it for ongoing success in an increasingly eco-conscious business landscape. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Titans and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We love making these videos for you, and your support means the world to us. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay awesome and see you in the next video.